part 2. Last episode we had race, and the first winner is the Skion FRS. What it is going to be going against is the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro Cassette. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, that car is winning again. The winner is
Wesley, can you show me?
Skion FRS.
Can you show me going down the slide in a certain way? Quick.
Alright, so this is like a little thing my sister wanted to show you guys. She wanted to go up the slide. She thinks she's cool, but she's not. Hey, she learned how to do it finally. Alright, hold this for me again.
Failure. Let me get a bit closer so they can see the car a bit.
The loser, the Chevy goes in the bag. So who are our next component B? You guys are wondering that? What is going to be the 65 Mustang Fastback.
Show it to them. Cool. From that blue one? Okay.
On your mark. Go. Oh my gosh. Let's see who won. Oh my gosh, just by a little bit.
My commercial break now.
Why do you want your commercial break? Just by a little bit. The Skion FRS wins
Okay, here's my
the race again.
commercial break time.
There ain't no commercial breaks in this.
Well, my break time.
No break. Alright, then I'll just record.